In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a waiting list funnel. This will be a two-part video, with this being the first part, and for now, the recommended route that we suggest you take. Now, first, I think it's really important for you to fully understand the power behind using a waiting list. With marketing, it's very much about building relationships, and when it comes to launching, this could be launching a new course, a new site, a new product, launching anything. Building that engagement, that excitement with your list, your subscribers, your prospects, your students, with anybody is really powerful. So you could be launching in a matter of hours, in a matter of days, in a matter of weeks, or even months. Over that period of time, building that kind of engagement and that excitement will really get your subscribers looking forward to it. So here we are. I've gone through marketing funnels. I've set up a new lead magnet funnel, come up with a two-page option, the opt-in page and the thank you page. I've renamed the opt-in page to the waiting list opt-in. Now you'll go through to the edit step and you'll come through to one of 7 themes. You'll see the theme I'm here is the classic white. I've already edited the first bit really simply. Say, to access my launch, please provide your details below. We could delete this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new element, and I'm going to go for a countdown because my course launch is going to be in, let's say, 5 days. And let's say 5 hours time. So I'm going to be launching a new course in 5 days and 5 hours time. I want to capture people's email addresses, names and email addresses, so I can start updating them on what's going to be launched. So with this box here, I could, just by clicking on it left, I could delete it. Now, as it is an opt-in form, the email address, the form itself has already been populated, which is perfect. So I'm just going to edit the button just ever so slightly, access my launch here, and you can change all of the designs, the colors, the sizes. You can also assign this particular email list to any current email list and also to any of your existing funnels. Now, the second page that is going to be a thank you page. I would simply edit a thank you page to possibly with a countdown timer again, but really just to thank them for subscribing, to let them know that you're going to be updating them over the coming days and weeks or months on what's going to be launched whenever it is going to be launched. Now, the final step for this process is one of making this your homepage. So if you wanted to assign this particular sales page to your existing homepage of your site, by going to Site in the top tab, then Homepage on the left, and via the logged out section, mine's called Waiting List Funnel Test, and assigning that as your waiting list funnel test, your homepage will now be that particular opt-in.